Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use the internet effectively while on a call. First, always check your internet connection stability before joining. A wired Ethernet connection is highly recommended over Wi-Fi for its superior reliability and speed, often providing up to 10 times faster data transfer. Additionally, close any applications or browser tabs not essential for your call to free up valuable system resources, ensuring your device can dedicate its processing power to the call and necessary internet tasks. To optimize your internet experience, prioritize your call application's bandwidth. Many operating systems and routers allow you to allocate more bandwidth to specific applications, ensuring your call remains clear. It's crucial to avoid bandwidth-intensive activities like streaming high-definition video or downloading large files, which can consume several megabits per second and severely impact call quality. A quality of service, or QoS, router can automatically manage traffic, giving priority to your voice or video call data. To prevent interruptions, always mute your microphone when you're not speaking. This simple action can significantly reduce background noise, which can be distracting for others on the call. Furthermore, disable notifications from social media, email, and other applications. These pop-ups can consume small amounts of bandwidth and, more importantly, break your concentration. If you share your internet connection, inform household members about your call so they can temporarily reduce their internet usage, ensuring a smoother experience for everyone. For more advanced usage, if your primary device struggles, consider using a secondary device like a tablet or another computer for internet browsing. This offloads some processing and bandwidth. Regularly check your internet speed using online tools. A typical video call requires at least 2 megabits per second upload and download. Finally, for critical calls, having a mobile hotspot as a backup internet source can be a lifesaver, providing a reliable alternative if your main connection falters, ensuring you stay connected.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.